Hello guys, this is Rahul Lodi. Welcome to your favorite channel. Now, today we will see how to delete record from database in Laravel. As we have seen in my previous video, we have added record. Now, we will delete this record. So, first of all, we have to create delete button in action column. So, for that, we will go to our list page and here we will create a delete button. And in action we will keep delete route means destroy. This school.destroy means that will automatically call destroy function from our controller. Okay, this function, and here we will pass our school ID. Okay guys, and here we will also create a method that names delete method. So type is equal to hidden name underscore method and value we will give this delete. That recognize we have to call destroy function from our controller. Okay, so this is we can also see in our route list. Here you can see our destroy function is school.destroy that will call our controller destroy function. Okay guys, now we will refresh this page. Let me check. Okay, so firstly we have to create a button here. Class is equal to button danger value is equal to delete, and here we have also create CRSF token for post or form. CSRF field. Okay, so here you can see this guys delete button. Okay, now we will go to our controller and here we will create destroy functionality means $school equal to school find $ID and delete. Okay, then we will return back to the our list page. Return redirect school record deleted successfully. Okay guys, this ID we will get from URL when we click delete button. Okay, and we have passed this ID into our form action $value ID. Okay, now we will click delete. So here you can see this guys, our record has been deleted. We can also see in this database So here you can also see this, our record has been deleted from our database also. So this is called direct delete method in Laravel. In Laravel also provided a soft delete method. So we will discuss this soft delete method in our next video. Thank you guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.